afternoon, class. If you hear me, clap once. If you hear me, clap twice. So before anything else, I want Mr. Vernon to please lead the prayer.
Amen.
So thank you, Mr. Verona. So before you take down your seats, can you pick up some pieces of papers, arrange your chairs, and sit down properly. So before we begin our lessons, I would like to introduce you our classroom rules. First is we must respect everyone. Second is be prepared and participate actively. Third is always do your best. And fourth is keep the classroom clean and organized. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So, now, for this afternoon, we were going to talk about the kinds of angle. Are you familiar with the kinds of angles? Yes. So, we are going to talk about it later. So, before we dive into the kinds of angles, we will be guided with the following objectives. First, at the end of the lesson, at least 85% of students have classified the different kinds of angles. Second, differentiated the different kinds of angles. Third is construct kinds of angles based on their degree measures. And fourth is internalize angles in real life situations. So now let's dive into those kinds of angle. So the first types of angle is the acute angle. So an acute angle has a less than 90 degrees of degrees. So the numbers that are less than 90 degrees are we have the 89 and below. So those angles that measures 89 below are called the acute angles. The second angle is the right angle. So the right angle has a measure of angle of 90 degrees. It is usually seen at our doors and windows. So our third angle is the obtuse angle. So the obtuse angle has greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees measure of angles. And our fourth type of angle is the reflex angle, where the measure is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees Celsius. And the fifth type of angle is the straight angle. So the straight angle is it has exactly measures of 180 degrees. And our last type of angle is the full angle, where it measures a total of 360 degrees. Okay, class, are you familiar with those different types of angles?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the measure of acute angle, Mr. Verona?
90 degrees, sir. Less than 90 degrees.
Very good, Mr. Verona. How about Mr. Devon? What is the total value of right angle?
Exactly 90 degrees, sir.
So, thank you, Mr. Devon. So, how about the angle that measures exactly 180 degrees? What do you call it? Mr. Rocky?
Angle, sir.
Yes, very good. I guess you are familiar with those different angles. So now, let's proceed with our activity. So, our activity this morning is that you are going to find or look some here in our classroom those different angles, and you will write it on your 1/4 sheet of paper. Is that all clear?
Yes, sir.
So, I guess you're all done. So now, let's proceed with our quiz. So, here, can you please distribute? And here. So, I guess time's up. Can you all pass all your papers?
Please pass my paper.
Thank you.